So students, second very important gas is oxygen, which is sharing its 21% after nitrogen. And oxygen is very important for the survival of human and animals. And oxygen is the second most plentiful gas in the air. So students, you can understand now that without oxygen, humans and animals cannot survive. So students, human and animals takes oxygen when they are breathing. Okay? And green plants is producing oxygen during the process of photosynthesis. First of all, one question will arise here, that what is photosynthesis and how green plants produce oxygen with the help of photosynthesis. So students, during the process of photosynthesis, plants take in carbon dioxide and water from the air and soil also. Then this transforms the water into oxygen and the carbon dioxide into glucose. Then plant releases the oxygen back into the air and helpful to store energy within the glucose molecules. So students, in this process, green plants produce oxygen. And as I told you, human being and animals takes oxygen, and this oxygen absorbing by human being and animals for its better growth and survival. But the percentage of oxygen remains constant in the atmosphere. How? So students, as I told you, human being and animals inhaling oxygen, and this oxygen absorbed by the human being and animals. And I told you that green plants producing oxygen. So in this way, green plant is very helpful to maintain the percentage of oxygen in the atmosphere. And with the help of photosynthesis, green plants produce oxygen, and oxygen content in the air remains constant. But nowadays, due to the too much cutting of the trees and too much cutting of the forest cover area around the world, is responsible for the creating imbalances in the atmosphere. So for the maintenance of the atmosphere and maintenance of the oxygen, it is very important for us to plant more and more trees and plants, because plants produce oxygen, which is very important for the survival of human being and animals. Okay? After that, last one is carbon dioxide, which is sharing at 0.03%. And as I told you above that, green plants use carbon dioxide to make their food, and then they are releasing oxygen with the help of photosynthesis. And human and animals releasing carbon dioxide. So students, in this way, when human being and animals releasing carbon dioxide and plants producing oxygen. The total quantity of carbon dioxide and oxygen remains constant with the help of all these three important human being, animals, and with the help of plants. Because the total amount of carbon dioxide released by humans or animals is equal to the amount whatever used by the plants, and in this way they make a perfect balance in the atmosphere. After that, students, another problem is creating nowadays, because due to the too much burning of fossil fuels like coal and kerosene and diesel and petrol, creating too much carbon dioxide, and every year billions of tons of carbon dioxide continuously mixing in the atmosphere, and the excess mixing of these gases in the atmosphere is responsible for the creating imbalances related to the weather and climatic condition. And students, the global warming, which is increasing nowadays or from the last some years, only due to the cutting of green cover area around the world and excess use of fossil fuels and burning of fossil fuels, which is mixing in the atmosphere and creating imbalances even in weather condition and climatic condition. So students, for the proper balance and maintenance of the atmosphere, it is very important for us to reduce excess or overuse of these fossil fuels, and it is our responsibility to plant more and more plant and trees around the world to make perfect balance in the atmosphere, because oxygen is very, very important for the survival of the human being and animals. So students, for today's that's all, and in my next explanation I will discuss with you a structure of the atmosphere. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.